Did you know you could be entitled to compensation for your delayed or canceled flight in Australia? Most people don't. Whether it's a domestic or international flight, Australian laws protect your rights as a passenger. If your flight was significantly delayed or canceled, you could be owed a substantial refund or compensation. You just need to know how to claim it, and I'm here to walk you through the entire process. First, make sure you have all the necessary documents ready, things like your booking reference, flight number, and any communication from the airline about the delay or cancellation. This is essential for starting your claim. But don't worry, the process doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. Instead of navigating airline bureaucracy on your own, there's a simpler way. Head over to Compensair, where you can quickly check if you're eligible for compensation. Their service helps you handle the entire process easily, from filing the claim to getting your payout. Just follow the link in the description, and you could be on your way to getting the money you deserve for the inconvenience caused. After entering your flight details, Compensair takes care of the rest, even dealing with the airline on your behalf. All you need to do is sit back and wait for your compensation to come through. Why struggle with legal jargon or tricky airline policies when there's a hassle-free solution? If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button.